Hello everyone, let's talk a little bit about what the Project 5 image viewer looks like when it runs, so you'll know what's expected when you get your program all completed. So I'm going to go ahead and run mine, and here's the main window. And first off, let's just look at the image viewer part. Click File, Open, pick an image. Doesn't have to be Bitcoin, but that's the one that I kind of used in the demo. So open it. There's our Bitcoin image. The property on this label is set to fit the image to the size of that label. So here's the part that's using the color dialog. Under the settings menu here, if I want to set the color of the text on the menu, if I click that, here's my color dialog, and remember yours on Mac OS X or Windows is going to look different, but I want to go with a dark blue, so I pick that and hit select. Did you notice that the foreground color of the text has changed to dark blue? Now we can also go in here, click background color, and this would let us set the background color of our label. So how about a dark purple? That's kind of weird. So click dark purple, and there you go. There's our dark purple. Kind of hard to see the dark blue on dark purple, isn't it? Maybe we'll change that to something else. How about setting it to white? There we go. Now you can see the file in the settings. So I set the foreground color to white, background color to purple. So you can now see how your program's supposed to behave. This is the Q color dialog, and this is using the file dialog. So using two different dialog classes in this Project 5, the Q color and the Q file dialog. So that's Project 5. That's the way it's supposed to work. Make sure you change the name to be image viewer underscore your last name, and also remember that I have provided you with a starter file for that project. If we go look here in course content, you will see that there is a starter file with your signals and your slots already set up for you, as well as the imports that you need. So here in Project 5, if you scroll down under Processing Requirements, here's a link to download that project file. So save yourself some grief and some work and just go get that starter file. Here's what the starter file looks like. You can see that I already did the imports for you for the Pix map and the palette. Already did them for the Q file dialog and the color dialog, as well as the main window. I've already set the inheritance on your form to be Q main window. Your signals are already connected here to some empty methods. You notice I put pass in there. So you will need to go in and write code here, here, and here to get that project completed. But you have got a head start on it. Remember, you're going to need to create a UI file that is a main window, so you'll have to create that UI file from scratch. So good luck with Project 5. Tried to give you a little head start on it.